Recording immunization for a newborn is crucial as it protects against preventable diseases, ensures timely vaccinations, and supports public health efforts by reducing disease spread. It also helps meet legal, school, and travel requirements while safeguarding the child's future health. To record the child immunization, follow the following steps. Navigate to the View section and select Delivered. You can filter the dates as needed to access the patient within the time frame, and click on View. Select the patient from the Maternal Profile View section as shown. If your list is lengthy, you can use the search bar. Then click on the Action tab and select Immunization. In the next window, proceed to administer the available immunizations. Right-click on the immunization item and choose the option to administer. In the new window that opens, enter the quantity administered along with the accurate date and time when the dose was given. Click on Mark to save your entries. Once saved, the administered immunization will appear green to indicate that it has already been given. To access the immunization report, click the Report button located in the bottom right corner of the panel. In the report window, you can take several actions, including sharing the report via email. You can save in various formats and print directly from the browser.